Hey there! Today I'm going to help you design a simple yet effective scientific investigation for your grade 10 physics class. Our topic? Investigating the impact of UV light on plant growth. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Formulate a research question. In our case, it could be, how does UV light exposure affect the growth of mung beans? Keep your question clear and focused. Step 2. Hypothesis. Based on what you know, make an educated guess. For instance, I might hypothesize that mung beans exposed to UV light will grow slower than those not exposed to UV light. Step 3. Materials and equipment. Here's what you'll need: mung bean seeds, soil, pots, a UV light source, a ruler, and a notebook for observations. Don't forget gloves and protective eyewear when handling UV light. Step 4. Variables. Identify your independent, dependent, and controlled variables. Our independent variable is the UV light exposure. The dependent variable is the growth of the mung beans, which we'll measure in centimeters. Controlled variables include the amount of water, type of soil, and the amount of sunlight each plant gets, aside from the UV light. Step 5. Procedure. Write a step-by-step guide. Here's an example. 1. Fill each pot with the same amount of soil. 1. Plant 5 mung bean seeds in each pot. 1. Place one pot under UV light for 6 hours a day and the other in natural light. 1. Water the plants equally every day. 1. Measure the height of each plant every 3 days. 6. Record your observations. Step 6. Data collection. Create a table in your notebook. For each plant, jot down the height measurements and any noticeable differences in color or leaf shape. Remember, consistency is key. Step 7. Analyze the data. After a few weeks, look at your data. Compare the growth of the plants exposed to UV light with those that were not. Use graphs to make it easier to see trends and patterns. Step 8. Conclusion. Based on your analysis, see if your hypothesis was correct. If the mung beans exposed to UV light grew slower or had other noticeable differences, you've got your answer. Don't worry if your results are unexpected, that's part of science. Step 9. Report your findings. Write a report summarizing your question, hypothesis, methods, results, and conclusion. Include charts or graphs to support your findings. Be sure to mention any errors or unexpected results, and there you have it. A step-by-step guide to investigating the impact of UV light on plant growth. Not only is this a great way to learn about scientific investigation, but it's also a fun and engaging project. Happy experimenting. Thanks for watching and good luck with your investigation. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.